You can spend millions of dollars on firewalls and military grade encryption. But if Bob in accounting happily hands over his password to a stranger on the phone, your defenses are absolutely useless. Humans are the weakest link in cybersecurity, and that brings us to the terrifying concept of social engineering. Social engineering is the manipulative practice of deceiving people into revealing confidential information or clicking malicious links. Attackers don't use code here, they use human emotion. They use fear, your account is suspended. They use authority, I am the CEO, send me this file. They use urgency, you have 2 hours to pay. And they use greed, you won an Amazon gift card, click here. Let's break down the exact attacks they use to hack the human mind. First is phishing. This is the shotgun approach. It means sending fraudulent emails that appear to be from reputable sources, trying to trick you into handing over passwords or credit card numbers. Look at this example. It looks like it's from Bank of America, claiming someone just logged into your account and you need to reset your password immediately. It triggers fear and urgency. Instead of verifying it, a panicked victim clicks the link and hands their password directly to the hacker. To see how devastating this can be, look at the 2017 Google Docs form. Nearly 1 million Gmail users received an email saying a document had been shared with them. When they clicked open in Docs, it asked them to grant permissions to a fake third-party app. By blindly trusting the Google logo, millions of users compromised their accounts in hours. Next is spear phishing. If standard phishing is a shotgun, spear phishing is a sniper rifle. It is highly targeted. Instead of sending a fake bank email to 10,000 random people, the attacker researches a specific group or a specific person that actually uses the Bank of America and then customizes the email so it looks incredibly convincing. For example, in 2016, John Podesta, the chairman of the Clinton presidential campaign, received a highly targeted email designed to look exactly like a Google security alert, warning him of a login from Ukraine. It wasn't sent to a million people, it was researched and aimed directly at him by Russian hackers to breach the political campaign. Then we have whaling. This is a form of spear phishing, but it specifically targets the absolute top of the food chain: CEOs, CFOs, and board members. The potential payout is massive. Whaling specifically targets C-level executives or uses their authority to force lower-level employees to bypass security protocols out of fear or urgency. In 2016, a scammer created an email address spoofing Snapchat's billionaire CEO, Ivan Spiegel. The attacker emailed a Snapchat HR employee demanding the payroll information for all the employees. Because the email appeared to come from the ultimate authority figure, the employee complied without verifying, leaking highly sensitive data. Next is business email compromise, or BEC. In this attack, a hacker actually gains access to a legitimate employee's email account. They then use that real internal email to send messages to other employees or vendors, usually asking for invoice payments to be rerouted to the hacker's bank. In this case, a hacker compromises and gains access to the Bob's email address. Then he uses the Bob's account to email Alice, asking her to make a payment to the hacker's account. In 2016, the Belgian bank, Krelen, discovered they were victims of a massive BEC scam. Hackers compromised high-level executive accounts and authorized fraudulent transfers from the inside, resulting in a staggering loss of over $75 million. We don't just use email. Vishing or voice phishing is when an attacker simply calls the victim on the phone. They might pose as the IT department or a bank employee, using social skills to convince the victim to hand over an OTP or a password. This is exactly how the hacker group Scattered Spider took down MGM Resorts in 2023. They found an MGM employee on LinkedIn, called the IT help desk pretending to be that employee, and got the password reset over the phone. A 10-minute phone call crippled Las Vegas casinos and slot machines for days. And finally, we have smishing or SMS phishing. People inherently trust text messages more than emails. In the year 2022, Twilio attack. Employees received text message on their personal phones claiming to be from the Twilio IT department, warning them their passwords had expired. The text included a malicious link. Because it came to their phone, several employees clicked it and handed over their credentials. We have now learned that cybersecurity isn't just an IT problem, it is a human problem. Now you know exactly how attackers trick us into opening the front door. But in the next video, we will look at the nasty digital surprises they leave inside once that door is open: malware, ransomware, and trojans. Like, share, and subscribe to secure your feed, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep defending.